Hi, in this tutorial I continue with this pool table vector graphic in Inkscape, and this is the graphic from the previous tutorial. I'll continue with selecting the create circles in ellipsis tool, create a circle, then make sure the color is black, and also type in a number and make sure this padlock is on. Write 36 pixels, then Ctrl D to duplicate this. Move it over here and write 32 pixels. I'm going to position this over here for now, and this one I'm going to zoom in so I can align it. Now I'm going to leave these for now and create another rectangle. Go to the fill and stroke tool and I'm going to paste the color here, this green color, and you can use another one if you want to, but this is the code of the color if you want to use this one. And the next thing I'm going to do is I need to make sure this is aligned. So with the select and transform tool, carefully align this. Now next I'll send it all the way down, then one step up. Now select it, Ctrl D to duplicate it, and I'm going to copy and paste another color, this bright green color, and select this option radial gradient, and then with this tool create and edit gradients. I'm going to adjust these handles outside of the table. And this looks okay. Now I'm going to select this and make sure I send it one step above the previous green rectangle, and then I'm going to create another rectangle, very small. With the select and transform tool, click this padlock to unlock it, and here I'm going to type in a width, a very small width of 0.7 pixels. And here for the height I'm going to select 316 pixels, adjust the color to white and also the opacity to 30, and I'm going to grab this and place it over the table. And I'm also going to send it all the way down, then two steps up. Actually, I'm going to undo this. I needed to send it all the way down and three steps up, so it's above the two green pieces. So that's it for this tutorial, and in the next one I'm going to continue with this pool table vector graphic, and if you missed the first part I'm going to put a link on the video.